3 Chinese astronauts aboard the Tiangong space station were preparing to return home after 6 months in orbit. But their journey took a terrifying turn when space debris slammed into their return capsule. The impact was small but serious. Mission Control immediately called off re-entry. Engineers now suspect damage to the heat shield, the capsule's only protection during descent. Until they confirm it's safe, the crew can't leave. For now, they're staying aboard Tiangong, joined by the incoming Shenzhou 21 team. 6 astronauts now share China's orbital outpost, a first for the program. The stranded crew remains calm, sending daily updates back to Earth. This isn't just a Chinese problem, it's a humanities. Low Earth orbit has become a floating scrapyard of dead satellites and rocket fragments. And the junk is growing. Every launch, every collision, every broken satellite adds more to the swarm. Even a tiny piece, moving at 27,000 kilometers per hour, can rip through metal like a bullet. China's engineers are working around the clock to find a way home. But this close call reminds us, space isn't just a new frontier. It's becoming a battlefield of debris. And every astronaut up there is flying through danger, one orbit at a time.